Circuit Racer, Saber, Elanus. Hello pilots of the internet and welcome to Raghu's creative work. First of all, I want to thank you so much for liking my first video. And today's plane is called this plane that is has an awesome diamond shape and with locking legs and a diamond form here because the shape of the plane is also diamond and these little triangles that are called winglets and it has locked in the front and the back which makes it perform very well. So let's begin with the paper as oriented in the horizontal orientation. So let's begin by folding the right edge to the left edge, making every center crease for every plane. And now we want to rotate it. And now we want to flip it over as well and take this top edge here, fold it to this open edge, fold a closed edge to our open edge. So here's the thing I done. So I did that and we want to stand this thing and you see we have this pocket. Now we want to slide our whole hand into the pocket and now after doing that we want to push downwards like that and you see the back one is not being relieved, so we want to pull that down to this corner and now we want to land this edge here to this crease here, and after doing that we want to land this crease here on this edge, just doing a pattern, crease very sharply, and now we want to rotate it and flip it over, and now we want to fold this top edge to the right edge. And now we want to rotate it. Then now you can see we have just this edge here. Have this edge that's forming here, this edge here. And now we want to do this edge is that point right there. And now we want to make a crease. This is starting from this point and goes through to this back corner but a bit above this corner. So I'll just do it and I'll show you what it looks like. And just make a very sharp crease. The crease point where this edge intersects this point here. And now I just made a crease. The crease going all the way to where this bit above this point. Right, that's right here. Bit above that. And we will fold in there like that. And we want to flip it over and fold a match on this side as well. Now we can open the window but it's not yet closed from this edge here. So for that we want to just lay it on the table and you want to make a fold by this point here with this edge and this both edges and this edges intersect this point only, the main point. Make a crease that goes through and goes all the way to this back corner. And for that we'll turn it to the left and begin folding by this point to that point right there. It's a bit hard, but try really hard. Try really hard. And now, while we having this one, open this up, and you want to pull on this crease here. And in this center crease we have, which is going to this point, you want to pull on that center crease, and we want to push this in. We have a crease here. We push on that crease itself, and we got this bubble. Here, just want to flatten that bubble and flatten everything and swing these two layers in. And after doing that, you need to do a bit flattening on top, and there should be one more layer that's coming out of this layer, and you need to bit of flattening on the top. So we'll do all the steps on the right side. For that, you need to turn this into the right, maybe the left. We'll do that, and fold this point to that corner and begin folding. Yes, and after doing that, you want to open this up and pull on this center crease like that. And you have crease here. Just pull on that crease and flatten everything. But this pocket is also one bubble to flat. And now you want to just open this up. You see, we need to do a bit flattering on top. And you want to push this on the right hand and flip it over. And now we see we have this pattern ones. These ones will fold across this edge here. We're folding them along that edge there. And now we want to do the same thing on the other side. And open that back up and rotate it. And now we want to make a fold by where this point intersecting this edge. Make one crease, but we want to crease on this bottom layer, but this layer is covering that layer. So what we want to do is make a very gentle crease, because it's a glider as well. That can be also a reason. And open that back up, and we want to do the same thing on the other side. And we want to open that back up and see these both layers overlapping each other. We want to tuck this point into this one, leaving just a bit space in between. And you see there's a straight crease running across this edge. We want to pull behind all over those, all along that crease, and flatten everything like that. So here the layers are gone into that, but then it doesn't have nice flares. So on the lay it on the table, I have a quick trick to flatten these. I'm going to just press on this layer that's right here. That's a bumpy bit too. And now we want to brush out these layers with these layers. We want to brushing out like that. And now it has a very nice profile. And now we want to stand it like that. And now we'll make a short winglet with that, a very small one. And thank you for watching. The display is done. Yes, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button, and and good luck flying your plane, and thank you for watching.